We got a car or something up there in the ditch.
Yeah. Over there somewhere.
There's something up there. No, it's grass.
Oh, that's grass, yeah. I zoomed in on it to look.
Oh my god, don't take your sunglasses.
I'm not.
I just
My
went,
head will be nailed in minutes.
I just went taking off and going blind.
Yeah, this is the only
she's
time.
deep there. Feel that?
Yeah, right there, look, coming off that drift.
Yeah, we're getting closer to Cape Breton now. We must be coming into what Melanie was talking about.
Yeah. What's today? February 4th? The 2024. Yeah. Driving on the highway towards Cape Breton. At 2:25 p.m. Gotta love the weather. Cape Breton's already experienced like 102 to 130 centimeters or something stupid. Another 50 planned or called for today in Cape Breton. And then on top of that, you should stay in the middle of the fucking road. Pardon my language. And then another 15 to 25 centimeters tomorrow, supposedly, on the radar. And yeah, we're just, you know, taking the highway home there. See where we're at. The road sign will show you if you want to look it up. Yeah, she's a mess. Safe travel. What a ride. Lots of snow on the road. She's a blowing hard, folks. Look at that. We've seen between our travels up and our travels back now at least 20 vehicles off the road, including the snowplow itself. But in a lot of cases, it's like, road? What road? We don't need a road where we're going, said Doc Brown.
Yeah, 4x4.
We're in, we got 4x4.
Well, we've been in two-wheel drive the whole time, and these tires are amazing. Well, no, there's a couple times I stuck her in four-wheel drive just to be safe.
Yeah, but that was going up that one hill because everybody was crawling because it was slicker
And
than
when I
snot out of
passed a
a
couple
sled.
people, but this is like, now, but that, last night coming up, it wasn't even, it was just blowing.
Yeah.
Where it went white out.
Yeah, don't go near that. That'll hurt.
But now we're getting drifts everywhere because we're coming back into this storm that they're
itself.
saying that Cape Breton's getting.
Yeah, blown in off the Atlantic. Oh, there's a vehicle over there driving. Safe travels, homie. Usually Cape Breton or something like that, but good luck. It's cleaner back that way. Plow hasn't hit this in a little while.
No, this is fun.
The fucker, where's he at? Is he on lunch break? There's a turn off. You think he'd be, you know, maybe? No, we didn't see any between the last few turnouts.
The guy coming up behind us is fucking good.
Yeah, he's a booking, eh? Fucker's booking, eh? Coming up on us. You're dusting him, fuck him. Poor bastard. It is what it is. You're on the road, you're nuts, or you're just driving because you got it. So there's where we're at now. The Glasgow Stellar Trenton, 3 kilometers out, exit Glenn Bowler. Yeah. We got a little bit of snow, I guess, eh? So far. I'm gonna do another video when we get kind of to your place, so we can have another video of what's like not dealt with since yesterday morning. I miss it.